Oh, okay. Just gotta. Okay. There's been. Uh, there's, I wonder. Can I find any? I don't see anyone around. I thought I could actually find someone that knew about these disappearing. Well, I don't know what they're called anymore. And I think I'm missing a watch. Hmm. Uh, I don't know. There's gotta be something weird going on. Is that a guy I see over there? Can you come over here? Oh, okay. Hey. Yeah. Yeah, dude. Yeah. You know about these disappearing things? Well, no, but I've been seeing, some people are reporting about some random things happening to them because they say, like, some kind of ghost things. Really? Yeah. Yeah. Seems some random thing called some kind of watch. Maybe that's what I'm missing. I'm missing some kind of watch. Yeah, we don't know whether you do, so bye. Okay, guess bye. I wonder what he's talking about. Who are you? Hi, I'm Whisper. Who? Whisper. Hi. Okay, I'm Whisper. And I will be your yokai butler. Yeah, yokai are those things are missing. They said were missing and hearing people. I don't need spirit people. I only used to make them know nothing. This is totally legit for some reason. I don't really know. Well, I will be your yokai butler, and we will need to go on a journey later on. I just need to explain to you. Be careful of yokai. They can be very things, but very bad. Well, some yokai even make you get hit by a car. Some give you cold somehow. Well, maybe fake colds, and most of them are cats. I'm not, I'm just a normal yokai, as you can see. Right. Okay, this is not really, hey, you're Whisper. I really don't care about yokai. Hey, creatures, leave. This is very important. Hey, look over there. Look over there. It's a, it's a, it's a yokai. Wait, what? How can I be so stupid? You can't see yokai without a watch. Hey, come back here. What do you want? I want you will be the one to have the yokai watch. We will go find it later. But now, you have to listen to me. I will keep grabbing you and pulling you back here, because this is the special place. Wait, if I need to watch yokai, how come I can see you? I am a special yokai that gives people yokai watch so they can see other yokai. So, of course you can see me. You're supposed to be able to see me. Not a classic yokai or anything. I used to be, but I'm not anymore. So, I know nothing was, because I was no nothing. But I do know a lot of things. I'm not no nothing. Because I'm actually, if anyone knows about the yokai watch, wants to know what it really does, this thing got in the yokai pad. I am a special kind of whisper, so I don't need the yokai pad. We will. Okay, so you know where the watch is. Yeah. And why can't we go get it now? Because you don't know everything you need to know about yokai. Okay, because you're just a beginner. That's just mean. You're just a fat, stupid ghost. Sorry. I wasn't crying. I was just using my attack move. That's seriously your attack set. Don't judge me. Okay, what? I really don't know anything is going on right now. Yeah, of course you don't. Okay, well, that was 5 hours later. That was all I needed to know about yokai. Okay. Well, let's go and find that watch.